Niki, what do you think of the campsite?
Nice.
Nice. Lots of beautiful views. Hey? Over the countryside. So this must be, oh look, here's the children's play area. Wash your dishes here. Pretty cool.
And this plant's nice.
Huh?
This plant's nice.
Yeah, great, aren't they? First aid, CCTV obviously. Marshmallow, £1. Oh look, they've got giant marshmallows.
Oh my god, what kind?
You.
Scan the QR code.
Where?
Scan the QR code.
Ah, is that how you do it?
Yeah.
That's clever. Plants. That's where we are. Everything you need.
The toilets.
Do you want to go to the toilet?
No.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm right.
Let's go. Explore. I think we need to get you a smaller day pack, bro. Can't be you can have freedom, bro. Fly, my pretty, fly. Hat looking good. I think that's cool. Ready for
Action.
action.
Oh,
Very windy.
Yeah. Better don't let him touch the fence. It's electric.
Oh yeah.
He touched it with his ears.
The wind. The wind. Yeah, it's not that bad.
There is a sign that there's a big pool. But I don't see any pool right now. It's empty. I don't see any ball right now. No. I think they meant the second field because there are cows in there.
Maybe. It's a big field actually. Huge. Oh yeah, they're way down there. This is so cool. Look how wild is this, bro?
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Imagine going down with the bikes.
Yeah, bikes. Bikes down here. Definitely.
On the next
Wouldn't want to come up though.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to come up there.
Even Levi's put his 4x4 on. Levi, don't go by the fence. So many butterflies and things.
I saw a big dragonfly. It's that one.
Dragonfly.
Cool. It's blue.
Come, Levi, let's get in the shade. Come.
There's another bed.
Wow.
Goes here.
And then it just disappears under the ground.
Yeah, it just disappears into the ground.
Maybe it's a bit hot. Nice and cool here by the water, hey?
I think he wants to drink.
Yeah, we'll give him some water now. Let's give him some water. There. Oh my god, no way. How cool is that, dude? Oh, that is so cool.
Awesome.
Oh my goodness, Niki, that is awesome. Hold it, show us. That is cool.
It was my dream to find one of those.
Holy smokes, that's so cool.
It's cool.
What is it called?
Deer antler. So cool.
That is awesome. Nice find. Damn. That's cool.
I'm just gonna be screaming.
She went, what? That's amazing. Good fun, Niki.
It's like that.
Very cool. The adventure paid off.
Yeah.
What is it? Huh? Oh, that's cool. Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's go check it out. Oh, wow. Don't let Levi go in that muddy water. Hold him. Yeah. He's going to get totally mudded up. Oh, he's very good. I'll hold him. You can jam and play around, have a look. Just be quiet because you don't want to let the cows know we go. That's cool, hey? It's interesting. I wonder where the source of this
Look, fish, come here.
water is. What's that? Ah, interesting. It's like a little wooded bricks.
That's very old. The tire's gone.
Yeah, but the bricks, I wonder what that's about. Maybe some pump.
And there's a pipe, yeah, going up.
Could be, oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's leaking.
Yeah,
Look.
you see there's water.
Yeah, it's leaking.
It's pumping water, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's an awesome find.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I'd be so chuffed, man. Hey? That's the golden nugget, that one, boy.
Golden
Check that out. Woohoo! Oh, dude, that's going to be so nice. You can clean it up.
Oh my god, yeah.
Hey? And it's perfect too. It's not broken. It's
Yeah,
like
it's not broken. It's
absolutely in good shape. It's like perfect. Yeah. Very cool. Niki, let's just give Levi some water quick, I think. A little bit. Chill out. And there you go, boy. Drink up. Yeah, that's it.
There's a fly on him.
Where?
There.
In his face?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
trying to suck up the water.
The liquid in his eyes. Yeah. Don't worry, Levi, we got you, bro.
I've got you, man.
Have a drink. Here we go.
Thank you.
I think he's thrown half of it on top of himself. Hey, Levi. It's a bit hot. You stay in the shade for a bit. We had to cross that field to get you. I feel roasting.
Yeah,
Roasting.
it's hot. Sharp. Imagine a deer comes in and
Yeah, that would be pretty painful, I'd say. It's amazing, hey?
yeah.
Such good condition, Niki. You're so lucky, man. It's cool.
Imagine we had two.
Yeah, that would be awesome if you found two. You never know. Might get lucky. You know?
You never know, we might find another one right
There's
now.
a red card there.
That looks like a baby.
Yeah, it was quite small.
Deer Antler.
Ooh.
So cool.
Do you see anything up there?
No, the cows are up on that field, but I don't see the bull. And no deer.
Which field? Like,
Like that up there.
okay, so they're not in this field.
No, not this
Okay. Cool. So I know they're probably up through there.
I think the bull's
Yeah. Yeah, it should be alright. You're cooling off a bit, buddy. Yeah, getting a bit better. We had to cross that really hot sunny field to get down here. Probably a bit much for old Bluesky. Yeah.
Fine. I'm gonna keep on trying until I get it.
Too tricky.
Wait.
Looks like it might snap off, Niki, if I'm honest with you. Looks like it could snap off.
Good. But look, it'll hold my hand.
Pretty high.
Yeah.
Nice breeze up there.
Yeah, it's good.
Like feels quite nice and kind of wild. Hey, like you got all the trees and there and beautiful grass.
And it's almost like me sitting on a carpet right now.
Oh, is it like mossy?
Yeah.
Cool. It's perfect like shape there. It's a seat and
Yeah.
and a footrest.
That's how I was trying to do. I was trying to come up here. In here. Because it was perfect to sit. I wouldn't sit on this one.
Yeah, this is on the edge of coming off, snapping off. You think I should try?
Yeah, you can try lean on it after I get down. Because how am I going to get down then?
I'll have to catch you.
Or I'll just jump off. It's
Well,
fine.
it's pretty high. You could climb to the end there and then hang off the end and it'll sag down and you'll be close to the ground. But I could probably just catch you, maybe ish.
Well,
kind
you'll
of.
probably snap this
Or
part
just
off.
I could just leave you here and then you'll like, you know.
No, but
Could be good.
you'll probably snap here. So then I'll probably come here,
Yeah.
try sit on it, and then hold it, and then get down.
Yeah, you probably could.
You could try.
Or you could like stand on my shoulders.
I don't think.
Do you want me to try? You think I'll snap this though? I think I'll snap it. It feels like it wants to snap. It's dry and dead.
It feels like my wobbly tooth.
Yeah, it does. Well, I don't know what that feels like, but yes, I know what a wobbly tooth feels like. Is it still in there, bro?
Yeah.
Oh,
Almost out.
that's your last,
I can feel the roots.
last one. Yeah. Well, pretty cool up here, man. That's awesome.
Right, let me see how high is it.
Just, I wouldn't.
I want to jump.
Yeah, don't put your weight on that because if it goes down, you're gonna fall and it's quite high. Mowgli in the Jungle Book.
No, it's tall.
Huh?
It is tall, man.
It is quite tall.
What if you don't want to be falling from
You do not want to fall and you'll land straight into
here?
thingy nettles.
It's better to fall forward than backwards. I think. If it was better to fall forward.
Well, yeah.
Because then you know what you're.
Yeah, you can like use your arms and your
Yeah.
knees and your legs to like try and brace yourself. Yeah, backwards, you don't want to fall backwards.
Backwards.
You hit the back of your head and probably pass out. And hurt your back. And if you hurt your back, then you can't walk. That's extreme. But I think you're pretty flexible. You're like, what?
No, I'll
You're
probably
a
like,
little kid, man. You'll be like, and then, no, you'll probably hurt. Just be careful, bro. Don't get too clever. You can fall.
Oh, I got moth
Oh,
now.
gross, bro.
I got moth.
What? You got a moth in your mouth? Man, I can't keep that in the video. Nasty. Awful. Good job, Greg. Need some of that. You're welcome. You're welcome.
I've got lots
No.
of them.
Huh?
I've got lots.
Yeah. So where do you want to go?
Go that way.
Up through there?
See what's that forest.
Yeah, let's see what's happening there. Let's see. Come, babes.
What's cuddling?
You ready? He's cooled off now, so I'm just trying to stay in the shade, I think.
Yeah, he's sitting there.
Yeah, he did. Proper. Levi went straight in there. That is so. Cow poo, cow poo, cow poo.
Ow, ow, ow.
Yeah, cool. Oh, they're very solid. Wow.
They're cool,
Like
right?
very high quality. Like they don't look rotten at all.
Yeah.
And they're very hard. Like solid, solid, solid. I love the dark. They look dark inside, underneath. See the color.
Yeah.
And then all the like blonde kind of outside and top. See there? It's like blonde. And then that side's like dark. Very cool. These are nice. Look at that view. Look at that.
That's
There's
cool.
the cows, but I don't know where the bull is.
And the bull's gone. That's warrior.
It is, but probably gonna come around that corner now. Hey guys, what's up? Be like, oh, let's go. Chop chop. Wow, you can. Looks like you can go all the way up there. Come on, let's go check it out. What a view! Huh? Let's go in the shade. This tree here. Just check it out for a bit. Oh shoot!
What?
There's cows up there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I think the bull must be in
Okay,
there.
let's just go quietly. You might not notice us. No, the bull's there. I can see him. He's that tan colour. Levi! 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 Come here. Come, let's go. Yeah. Come. Yeah, you. I don't really want to tangle with the bull today. Nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful view. Very peaceful up there, eh?
Yeah.
Wind blowing through the tree. And the whole landscape looks still. See, there's the krofkis, black cows there. And then obviously there's another little herd just around there where we saw them where,
Yeah, we saw them.
yeah, got a bit close. I'm not afraid of the cows, it's just, you know, when they put a sign up on the fence saying there's a bull in the field, you kind of like puts you like, okay, should I be concerned?
Yeah, when they put a sign, then yeah.
Yeah. Been with Levi and, in a field with a bunch of young bulls, and they were pretty rowdy, and they were like chasing us, and it was pretty, yeah, it wasn't much fun. Just got to be confident and
Try and
make
be
a bit of
big.
noise, and then but they like they kind of know. It's weird because they kind of, there's a whole bunch of them, you know, and you feel it's just you and your dog, and then they kind of, you'll make a noise and they'll back off, and then they're like, hey, why are we backing off, kind of thing. They come forward again, you're like, hey, and you got it. It's not, yeah, it was pretty hectic, but we made it. I think if you really, like, if Levi started like really barking and being loud, and I was super loud, I think they would have backed off, you know. But it's not nice because you don't want to like have a whole bunch of noise and make a big scene, sort of thing, you know. But yeah.
Should they be like, nah, don't know these guys. Let's go back this way.
Yeah, these guys are a bit noisy. You don't want to know them. They're a bit loud. Levi's cooling off. Niki is checking out Pride and Joy, his Antler.
I really
Levi will
love my
get some.
deer antler.
Really cool. This is amazing, eh? Don't put it in your mouth or something like that. Okay?
No.
We need to clean that thing first. We're gonna wash your hands too, because I think it's been sitting there a long time, but still.
Yeah, looks old.
Should we go, buddy? Let's go. Pardon?
Yeah, this is tiny too.
Hey, Neckmeister. See the clouds? It looks like it's getting pretty cloudy, eh? Ashcombe Field
Back.
campsite. Huh? Smells good, eh? Oh. Everyone's having their barbecues now, cooking their meat. And it smells really good. Niki? We're gonna have a barbecue. What are we gonna have?
Steak.
Steak with sausage.
Ribeye steak.
Ribeye steak with sausage. And the salad. And yeah, we might attempt to make some bread. I've never done this before.
No.
How do you think we'll do it? We'll try, yeah? Okay, back to camp.
Okay, we are back at the campsite. Time to light it.
Niki's lighting the fire.
We made the fire.
Yep.
Awesome. We got the fire and the meat now. Ribeye steak. Some salt in it. Oh, it's really starting to smell.
Guys chilling, having a good time. Some meat, so having a good time. Beautiful view. Nice covering.
And
On his own there. It's getting there. As soon as he starts getting into this, he's all over it.
Yes.
Funny. Yeah, he won't be holding back.
Pusky. The wind's blowing to it.
He's catching it straight away. Yeah. Anyway, awesome. Hey, look at that beautiful sky. Blue sky. Clouds. Might get a sunset, but it's looking like the clouds might be in the way. How's your food, Niki?
It's great.
Delicious, eh? Deebs. He's had some steak. You had some steak, didn't you? And loads of sausages. Probably more than we had. Now we've got another bit of coal going on. We're going to attempt to make some bread, just like the famous channel.
The famous channel Outdoor Boys.
Yeah.
Niki making bread. so satisfying. I love
It
cooking
is
it.
nice, eh?
We're making bread. Look at that. Squeeze and squeeze.
Sticky.
I'm playing with Play-Doh.
So our first go, so
Yeah, but first time making it.
got to flatten it to 2.5 centimeters so it can cook quickly. Get that, and then pop it in the
fire.
flour. There. Flour, give it a coating. Cut across in it like that.
An X.
And that should help it rise or something.
Should give it the shape of the bread.
Help it cook.
We are wrapping the bread in foil.
The dough.
So it literally won't turn into ashes when we put it in the fire.
Oh, what to do something?
We're showing the process.
Don't know how much. Put a bit
That's good.
like that.
We want to put too much.
And then, there you go. Wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
See if it works. Oh, that's hot.
Ooh, that's hot.
That was hot.
Yeah.
It said put it in hot. So what do you think?
Yeah, she did.
Pretty much covering. Okay, Niki, you got a timer for 10
Yeah.
minutes. All right.
Got it.
10 minutes, and then we turn it over.
10 minutes in a So 20 minutes in total.
Yeah, 25 to 30 minutes it said, but we'll turn it at 10. And then see what the result is. Nick Master. Aye, aye, aye. Oh, it's feeling solid. See that? Look, it's expanded massively. Okay.
Yeah, that might be a little bit burnt.
Just a bit burnt. I made burnt bread.
Yeah.
We'll try, I think, inside. Okay. Crunchy. Oh, looking promising inside.
Oh.
That,
Yeah, on
that's
sides.
alright.
I think we'll get the insides.
For a first go. Not bad. Not the burnt outside, but this. Eat it.
Mmm.
It's alright, eh? It's nice. Quite yummy. A beautiful sunset behind it.
Oh, cool.
I'll try that.
It's going to be the best piece.
That's a good piece.
Mmm.
It's good, eh?
That's
It's not
so
bad,
good.
bro. Like it's bent on the outside, but the inside, if you dig out a bit, even Levi's interested. Look, he's like, "Oh, what's happening here?" Good stuff. Niki's getting bugged out.
On me.
Oh no, they're gone now. One went on my neck. Ugh. Like beastly little things, eh?
These little things.
Look, chill.
Yeah, chill.
Look.
Cool.
Just when the sound they make is a bit freaky. These guys down by our
Like,
camp, they're
just chill.
totally freaking out. Look, they're running around, flapping around. And the two guys have got into the car here. These two men, they jumped in their car. Hey,
Hey, don't get too close.
hey.
Look at that. Ow, they love me too.
Oh, there's one in your head. He's gone up.
I'm getting.
I think these guys are starting the car. They're gonna run away in the car, and leave the children behind.
He's got that swarming me.
Oh yeah, there's lots. It's interesting, eh? I wonder what they want.
What do you want? There was a friend that came to me, which I saved.
They really like when you touch them and you hit them, they What's wrong, Roo?
There's too many.
Too many? Ugh, it's alright.
Wait, look how many I got in my hands right now. In one hand. Got 3 in my hand.
There are a lot here now on us. Oh my god. Ugh.
There's a wall. There's a wall.
Just bat them off, Brett.
Oh, I got
It's
one in
easy.
my mouth.
Did you? I just whack them away, bro. It's fine. Just whack them. They're gone.
There's still on you.
Chair on the table.
Now it's on your head.
On my head. On your head.
Now I'm just gonna keep still. You see what happens.
Yeah, let's see what. How many come? Oh, they're coming for me now.
I'm keeping
Jeez.
still. Is it true though? Yeah, it's
Oh,
a
look,
little
everyone in the campsite, they're all getting.
The whole
look.
campsite is getting
Look,
smaller.
everyone's running around like crazy.
Ow, don't get my eyes, mate. No, they absolutely come for me when I'm moving. Ow, he bit me.
They bite you?
Oh no, he didn't. It's just his claws that.
Yeah, claws are just strong. Oh, they're harmless, man.
And they're harmless. Even the dog's barking is freaking out.
Yeah. Ugh. Oy, oy, oy.
They're swarming you. There's one crawling on you.
There's one on
one
my
on the
hand.
camera. There's one on the camera.
See how much you can take. Let's see how much we can take. Even Levi's like, what the heck? Really, look at him. Like, what is that? What is that, Levi? What is it? Oh, they're going away now. It seems. Alright, time for hot chocky.
Time for hot chocky.
Mhm.
If you wonder, all the dogs are still there. They're swarming me.
Excuse my really bad looking toes. They look very bad.
It looks like you worked in a coal mine.
One hot chocky.
Yeah.
It's hot. This one. I don't think we bought coffee for the morning.
No.
Very sad moment.
Sad. We'll have porridge. Green light.
Interesting. Okay, well, my toes are looking wonderful in that scene.
Wonderful.
Yeah, good. Quite tricky when you're doing it like that. So what you do, you hold the piece there away.
Yeah.
Go like that. Mhm.
Happy camping. Marshmallows.
Dude, you've had so much sugar. It's like next level.
I shouldn't have had the biscuits.
Just clean up these sticks. Hold your stick. Oh, give me hold my stick. I must look like a crazy maniac, bro. It's like a blade in my face, like this. And then my flip flops in my.
Now
bare
you're looking
knees.
for maniac.
Crazy, eh? Crazy maniac. Get this stuff off. Yeah, I want to clean all this stuff off this thing so I can get a marshy on the tarshy.
What?
in now. Just test the heat.
It's just been in the fire so
Mm-hmm. Nice.
I think that's perfect.
Perfect. Perfectly cooked. Oh. Cheers. Ooh, this business is a wizard. Oh, look at that.
Whoa.